when they're walking that way, there's no weight to lift. It's locked off at the trigger, ready to go. So all you're doing is having 1 ton of weight and momentum building up, so you could actually run inside the wheel. It's quite good, really good gym for some of our winders here. The problem is, none of us weigh over a ton. So the faster you go, the faster the wheel goes, therefore it's going to go too fast for you to handle. You're then going to trip and fall, you tumble around inside the machine, hitting the axle, which is going to fold you in two, break your back. So, the way to stop this, you don't have 2 winders in the wheel, you just need 1 in each wheel. You get the other winder to operate a brake at the front. There's a piece of wood under each wheel, you can see just sticking there. All they've got to do, put a bit of pressure on that piece of wood, it slows down the wheel. Perfect. Once the rope's off, it's ready to go. So, we have, ready to go, one thing medieval man feared the most, fire. Okay, all internal structures of a medieval city will be made of wood and thatch, so we can set it all alight by shooting fireballs. So, that's what we're going to launch for you now. We're going to shoot, massive chair, fireball!
Finally!
Woo! Come on, that's it, in it goes. We have attached to the fireball a chain and a rope. These are let down, hooked to the pin at the end of the arm. Load! There you go, in the centre trough of the trebuchet. You have 2 types of trough. You have a flatbed and you have a V-shape. V-shaped trough is to shoot straight. Flatbed, you can aim left or right. That's what we want. We want to shoot straight, so we want a V-shaped trough. Now once Charlotte has got flame, we can then begin the shooting sequence. Now why do we use trebuchets? Because we've got to get through defensive walls. If you win, you then have a hole in your wall. You don't want that, so why don't you use something that you can shoot over the walls? Trebuchets are good for that. Shooting fireballs, destroying wooden structures you can easily rebuild. Right, we have flame. Charlotte now steps up to begin the shooting sequence. First, she would take off the chain.
Hey, remove!
Then, steady hand, pulls the pin.
Hey, remove!
Trebuchet is now live and ready to launch. 1 pull of that trigger and we send it flying. But first, we must light the ball. She gives the command, light the projectile, add fire!
Add fire!
The ball is torched and the flames begin to build in the heart of the machine. Now Charlotte must hold her nerve. She pulls the trigger too early, the ball goes out and is useless. Waits too long, whole trebuchet is in flames. So she holds.
America!
We launch!
Whoa! Whoa!